Hello car owners and enthusiasts, do you have well informed of all car systems and their major duties help your car function properly? You may overlook many of them that accidentally damage happen. Some of these systems are suspension, cooling, electrical, shocks and springs, and exhaust system are the 5 hidden systems. So let's dive into. In this video, we will explain the maintenance of these systems in detail: cooling fan maintenance, suspension system, shocks and springs, electrical wiring, exhaust system, steering linkage. If your car is overheating, bouncing, or vibrating while steering, these hidden systems could be the reason. Stay until the end because ignoring even one of these systems can lead to expensive repairs or complete vehicle failure. Let's begin. 1. Cooling fan maintenance. The cooling fan plays a critical role in controlling engine temperature, especially when the vehicle is idling or moving slowly in traffic. When a car is driving at high speed, air naturally flows through the radiator and cools the engine, but in traffic or when parked, the cooling fan becomes the main component that prevents overheating. If the cooling fan fails, the engine temperature rises quickly. This can lead to engine overheating, head gasket damage. If warning sign pop up, don't drive. Driving with a faulty cooling fan can destroy your engine. 2. Suspension maintenance. The suspension system keeps your vehicle stable, balanced, and comfortable on the road. It absorbs road shocks and maintains tire contact with the ground. Without proper suspension, the car becomes unstable and dangerous. The main suspension components include shock absorbers, springs, bushings, control arms. When shocks wear out, the vehicle starts bouncing excessively. This leads to poor road grip, longer braking distance, uneven tire wear, loss of vehicle control. Broken springs can also lower the car on one side and create unsafe driving conditions. A simple suspension test is pushing the car down and releasing it. If the car continues bouncing more than 2 times, shocks may be worn out. 3. Electrical wiring maintenance. Electrical wiring is the nervous system of the vehicle. It connects all electronic components including sensors, lights, fuel system, cooling system, engine control unit. Even a small wiring problem can create major issues. Common wiring problems include corrosion at terminals, loose ground connections, burnt wires, blown fuses. These problems can cause engine starting failure, sensor malfunction, dashboard warning lights, charging system problems. Battery terminals should always be clean and tight. Fuse boxes must also be inspected regularly because blown fuses stop electrical flow. Using a multimeter helps detect voltage and wiring problems. Electrical diagnosis requires patience and careful inspection. Warning: electrical wiring problems can stop your car without warning. 4. Exhaust system maintenance. The exhaust system removes harmful gases and improves engine efficiency. It includes exhaust manifold, catalytic converter, muffler, pipes. Over time, exhaust components develop rust and leaks. Rust is common because exhaust parts face heat and moisture daily. Leaks can cause loud engine noise, reduced engine power, bad smell inside the car. Increased fuel consumption. A blocked catalytic converter creates back pressure in the engine. This reduces performance and may damage engine components. Regular inspection prevents these problems. Warning: exhaust leaks can reduce engine power and increase fuel consumption. 5. Steering linkage maintenance. The steering linkage connects the steering wheel to the vehicle wheels. It allows the driver to control direction safely and accurately. Important steering linkage parts include tie rod ends, ball joints, rack and pinion, steering arms. When tie rods wear out, steering becomes loose and unstable. Ball joints can also develop looseness and create vibration. Common symptoms include steering shaking, steering play, vehicle pulling to one side, uneven tire wear. Alignment problems also affect steering performance. Ignoring steering problems can lead to dangerous driving conditions. Regular inspection ensures safety and proper vehicle control. Warning: steering linkage failure can cause loss of vehicle control. Now you understand 5 hidden systems that silently destroy vehicles if ignored. We covered cooling fan, suspension, electrical wiring, exhaust system, steering linkage. Regular inspection of these components can save money and prevent serious breakdowns. If this video helped you, please comment for the next advanced video, subscribe to the channel,